Do not spend money on cereal or muesli at the store again. Simply make your own. You need oat, pumpkin seed, sunflower seed and almonds. The exact ratio is in the description. I also recommend to cut the almonds because you don't want huge pieces in your muesli. Then you need to add orange juice, oil and honey. It is not so hard, isn't it? If you like it so far, please leave a like or a comment and don't forget to subscribe. Now you need to mix everything together very well. Then you need a flat surface to spread the muesli because we will put it into the oven. Don't make it too thick if you don't want to spend the whole day in the kitchen. At first it needs 10 minutes in the oven. Then you need to mix it up because the bottom is not ready and we don't want to burn the top. Then back to the oven, but now only for 5 minutes. Now you need to repeat this process about 2-3 times until the muesli is golden brown. Somehow like this, and then you just need to let it cool down and then put it into a jar. Thank you for watching and don't forget to check my other videos.